Divorce can be financially stressful, but if you have no income, it can feel even more overwhelming. But the good news is that there are legal protections in place to help those in your position. This video will guide you through the key steps you need to take to protect yourself, ensuring that you get financial support and legal rights you deserve. I'm Paul Britton, a family solicitor based in London, Mayfair. I have over 10 years of experience in the legal field, and I represent clients that want the best legal support. It is a common misconception that if you have no income, you will be left with nothing after the divorce. Under the UK law, financial settlements are designed to be fair and consider both parties' financial needs and contributions to the marriage. The court doesn't just look at who earned the money, it also looks at things such as childcare and who was running the household. If you were financially dependent on your spouse, you may be entitled to something called spousal maintenance, a share of matrimonial assets, or even help with your legal costs. If you are worried about how you will manage financially during your divorce, you may also be able to apply for something called an interim spousal maintenance. This is a temporary financial agreement ordered by the court to help support you until the final settlement is reached. If your spouse was the primary earner, the court can order them to continue supporting you financially while the divorce is ongoing. This is particularly important if you are unable to work due to childcare responsibilities or a health issue. It is critical to ensure that the financial settlement you receive is fair and provides for your long-term financial needs. It is important to gather as much financial information about your spouse as possible, including their income, savings, investments and pensions, so that you can negotiate a fair settlement. Even if assets such as the family matrimonial home or pensions are in your spouse's name, they may still be considered matrimonial assets and subject to division. One of your biggest concerns may be where you will live after the divorce. If you are living in the family home, you may have a right to stay there, especially if you have children. In some cases, the court may order the house to be sold and the proceeds divided. If you do not have anywhere to go, you may also be eligible for housing benefit or local council support. Divorcing without an income can be daunting, but UK law provides various protections to ensure you are not left without financial support. If you are facing a divorce and worried about your financial situation, seeking legal advice is essential. Britton and Time Solicitors can help you with your divorce and ensure that you receive the support you are entitled to. Contact us today for expert legal guidance tailored to your circumstances.